We've traveled to a lot of places, but nothing prepared us for the moment we opened our balcony door, and saw the sky filled with over 100 hot air balloons, glowing in the sunrise, floating above the ancient city of Luxor, Egypt. The sky exploded with color. Balloons lifting off over the legendary structures of the Valley of Kings, which have stood for thousands of years. We are standing on our hotel room balcony. And it honestly feels like we're in a movie. We've seen sunrises over Gold Coast, deserts in Dubai. But this is something we'll never forget. In this travel vlog documentary, we'll show you what it's like to wake up in one of the most magical places on Earth. From the peaceful charm of Sirius Palace Hotel to the warmth of the people outside its gates. This is Luxor, Egypt, through our eyes. Trust us on this. You're gonna want to wake up here one day. Come on, let's go. Peace be upon all of you. Hello again to all our viewers and subscribers. In the previous episodes, we are in the midst of an epic Egyptian road trip journey from Hurghada to Luxor, where we stayed for a night at Spring Luxor Hotel in the West Bank, took a magical hot air balloon ride upon sunrise, and explored both the mystical Hatshepsut Temple and ancient Luxor Temple throughout the day. For this evening, we had decided to book a one-night stay at Sirius Palace Luxor Hotel, in order to rest and recharge ourselves for the night, before we continue our Egyptian road trip drive further southwards to Aswan on the next day. Sirius Palace Luxor Hotel is located in Luxor West Bank, which is nestled in the serene Al-Qarna agricultural village and farmland area, just behind the famous alabaster factories, and nearby the legendary Valley of the Kings. Al-Qarna, or Kurna village, is a village known for its traditional mud brick architecture and agricultural activities, and is a place where visitors can experience authentic Egyptian hospitality. After driving our rental car to the hotel's location using Google Map, we finally arrived at this surprisingly cheap but magnificent, newly built Sirius Palace Hotel Luxor. It is now time for us to unwind in a place that truly captures the spirit of this incredible region. After checking in and collecting the room keys from the reception, we proceeded into our deluxe double room which we had booked. Despite the super low price, the room is extremely spacious with a simple blend of modern comfort and luxury charm. From the moment we step inside, we can see that every detail has been carefully crafted to create an atmosphere of contemporary relaxation. This room is the perfect sanctuary to retreat to after a day of exploring the treasures of Luxor. And let's not forget the view at the private outdoor balcony of our room. Simply breathtaking. We are greeted with panoramic views of the tranquil West Bank farmlands, a perfect sight to enjoy as the sun sets over the hills. And for those moments when we just want to relax and unwind, this cozy private balcony corner is perfect for sipping our favorite drink while planning tomorrow's road trip adventure. Upon nightfall, I decided to venture out to the narrow streets and alleys of the Al-Qarna village, located directly outside the hotel, and visit the next-door local mosque Masjid, to join the friendly villagers for Maghrib and Isharq congregational prayers. After the Isharq prayers, as last echoes of Amin faded into the warm village air, two cheery Egyptian boys, Adam and Saif, approached me with beaming smiles, and an unmistakable spark in their eyes. "Come play football," they exclaimed to me in Egyptian language, motioning towards the dusty footpath street just outside the mosque. It wasn't just an invitation to kick a ball. It was a chance to be part of something real, as well as an opportunity to connect, laugh, and feel the heartbeat of the village after dark. More importantly, it was a chance to step into their world, to laugh like a local, and to bridge cultures through a shared love of the game. Joga bonito indeed. I couldn't say no, so I joined them. We ran onto the narrow village footpath, where makeshift goalposts were marked by our slippers. The quiet street, lit softly by flickering bulbs and the occasional passing motorbike, was our playground. The echoes of laughter bounced off the surrounding walls as more kids curiously spilled out of nearby homes, drawn by the sound of excitement, as we played barefoot while buzzing with carefree energy. In that moment, I wasn't a tourist, but I was just another kid on the block, drenched in sweat and joy, playing football under the Egyptian stars. The next morning, as the sun was just beginning to rise, we woke up to a mesmerizing view from our room that we would never forget. Just look at this. This is the magic that Sirius Palace Luxor Hotel offers. A sea of vibrant hot air balloons filling the sky, rising over the ancient lands of Luxor. It was a sight so jaw-droppingly beautiful, we felt like we were in a dream. We could almost feel the ancient stories of this place, being carried with the breeze, as the balloons drifted over the land, offering us a perspective on Luxor that only Sirius Palace Hotel guests can ever get to experience. It was a surreal moment. One of those rare, once-in-a-lifetime experience, that we would never forget, and we were lucky enough to be witnessing it right from the comfort of our Sirius Palace Hotel room without needing to drive out of the hotel. After those incredible views to kickstart the day, it was time to fuel up with a simple yet refreshing Egyptian breakfast, which was complimentary, as it came with our room booking, right here at the Sirius Palace Hotel Cafe. As we sat here, enjoying the delicious start to our day, we could not help but appreciate how every detail at Sirius Palace Hotel has been designed to help us slow down, soak in the tranquility, and experience the heart of Luxor. As we wrapped up the incredible morning, we took a moment to talk to the hotel reception staff, Nancy, to thank her and her team here at Sirius Palace Hotel. The service rendered by the hotel staff, especially Mondi, Mohammed, and Nancy, are top-notch, as they go out to great lengths to ensure you have an enjoyable stay in the hotel. Their warmth and hospitality have made our stay truly unforgettable. It was not just about the sights and history of Luxor. It was about moments like these, where we can truly connect with the warmth of the people around us, such as the friendliness of Sirius Palace Hotel staff, and friendship fostered with the kids in the neighborhood village, such as Adam, Fahad, Faris, Adam and Saif. Thank you so much to everyone we had met here in Luxor for everything. All of them had made us feel so welcome during our stay, making us feel homely and special, and we would carry these memories with us, as we continue our travel journey. In the next road trip adventure, we would drive further southwards to Aswan, to explore the famous Nubian village. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, so you don't miss a single moment of this unforgettable journey. We can't wait to take you along with us. See you in the next video.